1, 2.
Well, it's 5 a.m. I got to find myself a cab. I'm way past the point of needing it bad. I done my job tonight. Clean the streets, I'm gone, I'm safe. I got the relay from the radio off. Son, thank God, and the people who care, and I'll leave the city when I'm headed up to here. But there are good things to come. Remember when I saw you last, baby? When will I see you again? Like it was yesterday, I was combing through the mass of Lower Broadway. Had to focus on